In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone error. The application unexpectedly stopped working. So the first thing you can try is you want to go here and type in settings. Over here, you want to go to game settings. So here you'll see game mode settings. Make sure game mode is turned on. Now, the next thing you can try is if you go to Steam and go to Call of Duty. So I'll do this for this game. You can follow the same steps for Call of Duty. So right click on Call of Duty and then go to manage, and then go to properties, and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of these files. So most of the time this will fix your issue. So once you're done this, you can leave this. Now the next thing you can try is go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. And here you want to basically run some commands here. So the first command is netsh int ip set dns and press enter. Then you want to write the second command sfc/scan now, press enter. And once this is done scanning, you can just close this. Now I recommend you also update your drivers. So if you go to device manager and then go to display adapters, you'll see plenty of drivers here. So just right click and update, and here you can just manually choose them, and next, and this will update your drivers, and hopefully this fixes your issue.